Hey guys, today I'll show you how to join a Spotify family plan, no invite link required. Let's go. First, open Spotify and go to settings/account/get premium. Choose Premium Family from the plans. Spotify will ask you to enter your home address. This is important. Everyone in a family plan needs to live at the same address, so make sure you use the same address as the plan manager. If the plan manager hasn't invited you yet, you can sign up directly and pay for the family plan yourself. Then everyone can join under your address. Once your payment goes through, you'll be added to the family plan automatically. You can now enjoy ad-free music, downloads, and more on up to 6 accounts. That's it, simple and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.